Chawla, Director Rizzo Oil, to please come up on stage. Congratulations to all the winners in the FMCG category. And moving on, gentlemen, we'll go on to the next category of awards. The next category of awards are the fastest growing marketing brands in the manufacturing category. In the manufacturing sector, the first winner of the evening, well, this is alphabetical. It goes out to Ashirwad Pipes. May we request Mr. Harsh Srivastav, Head Marketing and Corpcom. Congratulations, gentlemen. Moving on to the next winner. The next winning brand is Dorset Kaba. And let's welcome the gentlemen with a loud round of applause. Moving on, the next winning brand in the manufacturing sector is High-Tech Plus. And we will request Mr. Madan Raj, Head Marketing. Moving on, the next winner in the manufacturing sector goes to Samprash Foods, Mr. Akshar Kuchru. May we request you to please come up and collect the award on behalf of Samprash Foods. Congratulations. Well, congratulations to all the winners in the fastest growing marketing brands, FMCG and manufacturing sectors. The next category of awards are the best marketing brands. The best marketing brands, we would start with the manufacturing sector, and the first winner in this category is Eureka Forbes Aquaguard. Well, congratulations. Moving on, the next brand that wins the Best Marketing Brands Manufacturing Award is Asian Paints. And we request Mr. Abhay Jayal, Regional Manager, Asian Paints, to please come up and collect the award. Well, the next winner in the manufacturing sector category is Bombay Dyeing. May we request Ms. Devleena Shashithal. She's Head Marketing from Bombay Dyeing, to please come up on stage and collect the award. Congratulations. Well, the next winner in the manufacturing sector category is Borosil, and to take the award, may we request Mr. Nitin Anand, Regional Senior Manager, Borosil, to please come up on stage. Moving on, the next winner in the Best Marketing Brands Manufacturing Sector category goes to Seat Tires. The next winner this evening, ladies and gentlemen, is Eureka Forbes Vacuum Cleaner. Very, very congratulations. Moving on, the next winner of the Best Marketing Brands Manufacturing Sector is Exide Batteries. May we request Mr. Siddharth S. Roy, DGM Exide Batteries. Moving on to the next winner this evening, ladies and gentlemen. The next winner is Finolex Pipes, and may we request Mr. Saurabh Dhanorkar. Let's welcome him with a loud round of applause. Moving on to the next winner of the best marketing brands in the manufacturing sector. The next winner is Monte Carlo. May we request Mr. Mayank Jain. Moving on, the next winner is Raymond, Park Avenue. Congratulations, Mr. Ravi Verma, Marketing Head. And the final winner, ladies and gentlemen, in the Best Marketing Brands Manufacturing Sector category this evening is Voltas Split AC. We have Mr. Dheeraj Chadda, Head Marketing, Voltas Split AC here with us. May we request him to come up on stage. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the next category of awards. The next category of awards are the Best Marketing Brands in the FMCG sector. We'll move on to the FMCG sector. The first winner in the FMCG sector is Amul Butter. May we request you to please stay back because Amul has this evening won, not just one, but 2 awards. May we request you to receive the award on behalf of Amul Milk as well. Can we have the award, please? Moving on, the next winner of the best marketing brands in the FMCG sector is Appy Fizz. In the FMCG sector category for the best marketing brands is Dabur Amla Hair Oil, and the final winner in the FMCG category, ladies and gentlemen, is Pan Bahar Crystal. In the fastest growing marketing brands FMCG category, we would also like to award Aranya, and may we request Mr. Nagendra Pal Singh, co-founder, and Mr. Vivek Bhattacharya from Aranya. Well, we would like to close the evening with music, with a very entertaining act. We have once again for you on stage our European violin artist, Violina, we have here with us. She's going to do the harp act.
Primetime television just turned into big-time entertainment.
I'm happier when not too many people recognize me.
When you go to the bigger shows, and if you come out successful, you're just like,
Life is stranger than fiction. You bet. Watch the edgiest documentaries on Wawa Wednesdays.
Whatever you see in this world is illusion.
When will you understand कि 2 मिनट वाली नाइटी लफ्ज़ नहीं काम करते?
यहाँ सब कुछ डबल मिलेगा.
Every weekday at 9 on Prime, entertainment gets redefined.
On NDTV Prime in association with Micromax.
Imagine the next level in luxury showers. Combine showering with hydrotherapy. Revive in your very own spa. Imagine rejuvenation at any time with the most innovative Grower F Digital Deluxe. Now available with Bluetooth connectivity.
मुझे गन्ना खाना बहुत पसंद है, लेकिन मेरे जब तक नए दांत नहीं आ जाते ना, तब तक तो मैं अपना गन्ना नहीं छील सकती ना। इसीलिए ये मेरा दोस्त मेरे लिए गन्ना छीलता है। और कितनी देर है गन्ना छीलने के लिए? 2 मिनट। पर जल्दी छीलो।
ऐसी दोस्ती अगर एक बैंक निभाए तो IDBI बैंक 50 साल दोस्ती की।
प्रॉपर्टी खरीदने से पहले हजारों सवाल होते हैं। कहीं डूब तो नहीं जाएंगे? काश कोई हाथ थाम के बस पार करा दे। हम वो हाथ हैं। indiaproperty.com। घर बैठे लीगली वेरिफाइड प्रॉपर्टी दिखाए, प्रॉपर्टी एडवाइजर से आपकी बात कराए। indiaproperty.com आपको घर तक पहुंचाए।
Growth 56% higher than India's GDP. Revenue, India's fastest growth in tax collection. Labor, 0 man days lost in 2013-14. There's a new will in Bengal. Find out at the Bengal Global Business Summit. Come to Bengal. Ride the growth.
More than 1 lakh automobile enthusiasts from all parts of India have put their passion to the test. And now it's down to the final 8 contestants. Let's begin. Which British car brand has a tradition tonight?
Lotus.
Right answer. Tune in to the grand finale of the Mahindra AQ Season 6 this week on the NDTV network.
Fortune India presents Power Talk with N. Chandrababu Naidu, Honorable Chief Minister on the growth agenda for Andhra Pradesh, with India's best business minds and thought leaders.
Andhra Pradesh is a well-known brand all over the world.
Most of us have been waiting for the opportunity for you to come back, really for us to look at investment opportunities.
Saturday at 4:30 p.m. only on NDTV Prime.
हर दिन हमारे सामने एक मुश्किल आ खड़ी होती है कि क्या करें। ज़मीर की सुने या अपनी सुविधा की सोचें, मदद के लिए हाथ बढ़ाएं या आंखें मूंद लें। क्या हम दूसरों की तकलीफ को अपना बना लेते हैं या हम ये कहते हैं कि ये मेरी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। लेकिन हम ऐसे बहुत से लोगों